Do positive affirmations work? Yes, but only if you know how to use them. Using affirmations involves so much more than just reading words off a page. It is a self-care practice that requires conscious alignment of your actions, thoughts, and feelings. Here are 5 steps you should follow if you want to make the most out of affirmations. Number 1. Choose affirmations that resonate. The first step to using affirmations is to start with few that resonate with you. Be selective. Only use affirmations that brings you positive feelings or a sense of relief. A simple Google search will reveal a myriad of affirmations, but not every affirmation is going to apply to you. The most important thing about affirmations is you must be able to feel the positive emotions behind the affirmation. Affirmations that are well-written should be personal, present, and positive. Number 2. Take deep breaths. After you have selected your affirmations, it's time to get into a relaxed state by taking deep breaths. Your goal here is to release all the thoughts in your head so you can start the affirmations process with a clean slate. Use the 4x4 equal breathing technique to clear the mind. Inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 4 seconds. Direct your focus to the air flowing in and out of your nose. If you notice your mind wandering off into random thoughts, simply acknowledge the thought by saying "thinking" silently to yourself. This technique is called labeling, and you can use it to gently eliminate distracting thoughts and refocus on your breathing. Continue to take deep breaths for at least 60 seconds. Number 3. Say the affirmations out loud. To get the most out of the affirmations, you should say them out loud. Hearing the affirmation in your own voice is much more effective than just reading and thinking about it. When you say them out loud, you're showing your commitment to the practice, and it's a massive sign to the universe that you are ready to realign. Be creative when it comes to reciting the affirmation. Try a different tone each time you repeat the affirmation. Start with a whisper and gradually get louder. Adjust the way you say the affirmation to your own liking. Number 4. Feel each affirmation. Take some time after each affirmation to feel the good vibes it brings you. Direct your focus onto every word of the affirmation and feel the positive emotions as if the affirmation is already true. The key to success is to remember that it's all about how you feel. Affirmations work best when you actually believe in what you are saying. Don't just recite them just for the sake of doing it. If you're having trouble vibing with a particular affirmation, feel free to rewrite the affirmation for yourself. No one knows you and your circumstances better than you. The most powerful affirmations are often the ones you write for yourself. Number 5. Repeat until you feel better. Repeat the process until you feel better than when you started. It may take a few rounds of affirmations in order to get into the positive feelings of the statements. Giving up too early will just reinforce the false limiting belief that affirmations do not work for you, so just keep practicing. An excellent way to check if you have successfully raised your vibration is to refer to the emotional guidance scale. After completing your affirmations, look at the emotional guidance scale, identify your current emotions, and compare them to how you felt when you first started. Be proud of yourself every time you successfully move up the scale. Find the link to the scale in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe.